Welcome gamers to the most anticipated reveal of the year, the PlayStation 6. A console shrouded in mystery has been the subject of intense speculation. Today we'll delve into the rumors, uncover the truth, and explore the future of gaming. Buckle up because the revelations ahead will blow your mind. Hardware specs. The PS6's hardware is rumored to be a beast with a custom AMD Zen 4 CPU, next-gen AMD Radeon RDNA 3 GPU, and faster system memory. But what does this mean for gamers? Let's dissect the specs and uncover the secrets. The CPU boasts a significant upgrade with improved IPC, or instructions per cycle, and a higher core count. This translates to faster processing times, better multitasking, and enhanced overall performance. But that's not all. The GPU is rumored to support real-time ray tracing, advanced graphics technologies, and higher frame rates. The question is, how will this impact the gaming experience? Imagine playing your favorite games with unprecedented graphics quality, smooth performance, and immersive gameplay. The PS6's hardware is rumored to deliver just that, but at what cost? Let's break it down further. The AMD Zen 4 CPU is expected to bring a revolutionary leap in performance. With a higher core count, this CPU will handle multitasking with ease. Gamers will experience smoother gameplay, quicker load times, and an overall seamless experience. The improved IPC means that each core can process more instructions per cycle, translating into faster game processing and execution. This is crucial for games that demand high computational power. Now, onto the GPU, the AMD Radeon RDNA 3. This isn't just any GPU, it's a game changer. Real-time ray tracing is a feature that will transform the visual fidelity of games. Imagine walking through a virtual world where light behaves just as it does in real life, with reflections, shadows, and lighting that create an almost photorealistic experience. This GPU will support advanced graphic technologies, making games more lifelike and immersive. Higher frame rates will ensure smooth and responsive gameplay, eliminating lag and stutter. Dramatic music swells. But with great power comes great responsibility. Such advanced hardware may come with a hefty price tag. Will gamers be willing to invest in this next-gen experience? And more importantly, how will developers harness this power to create groundbreaking games? Graphics and performance. The answer lies in the graphics and performance. With the new hardware, games will feature more realistic lighting, reflections, and shadows. The frame rates will be higher, the graphics more detailed, and the overall experience more immersive. But there's a catch. The PS6's hardware is rumored to be so powerful, it may require a new level of optimization from game developers. Imagine playing a game that looks and feels like a Hollywood movie, with graphics so realistic you'll forget it's just a game. The PS6's graphics and performance are rumored to deliver just that, but at what cost? Let's delve deeper into what makes the PS6's graphics so groundbreaking. Real-time ray tracing, for instance, will be a staple feature. This technology mimics the way light interacts with objects in the real world, creating reflections and shadows that are incredibly lifelike. Picture playing a game where the sunlight filters through the trees, casting dynamic shadows that shift as you move. Reflections in water or glass surfaces will be more accurate, enhancing immersion. The higher frame rates mean that the action on screen will be smoother and more fluid. This is crucial in fast-paced games where every millisecond counts. The PS6 aims to deliver a consistent 60 frames per second or even higher, making gameplay not only smoother but also more responsive. The increased detail in graphics will be noticeable in textures, character models, and environments, adding depth and richness to every scene. However, achieving this level of graphical fidelity and performance will require developers to rethink how they create games. Existing game engines may not be sufficient to fully leverage the PS6's capabilities. This could mean longer development times and higher production costs. But for gamers, the payoff could be extraordinary, a level of immersion and realism that sets a new standard in the industry. The PS6 is also rumored to introduce new features that will revolutionize the gaming experience. Biofeedback sensors, advanced haptic feedback, and a redesigned controller are just the beginning. But what do these features mean for gamers, and how will they enhance our gaming experience? Let's start with the biofeedback sensors. These sensors will monitor physiological signals such as heart rate, skin conductivity, and possibly even brain waves. This data can be used to adjust the gaming experience in real time. For instance, if a game detects that a player's heart rate is increasing, It might ramp up the intensity of the game's soundtrack or adjust the difficulty level to maintain engagement. The advanced haptic feedback is another game changer. Traditional vibration feedback will be replaced with a more nuanced system that can simulate different textures and sensations. Imagine feeling the tension in a bowstring as you pull it back, or the resistance of different surfaces underfoot as you explore a virtual world. This level of tactile feedback will add a new dimension to gaming, making the experience more immersive and engaging. The redesigned controller will be ergonomically optimized to accommodate these new features. It will likely include additional buttons and triggers to provide more control options. The integration of these advanced technologies into the controller will redefine how we interact with games, making the experience more intuitive and responsive. The PS6 is also rumored to integrate cloud gaming technology, allowing gamers to play games without the need for dedicated hardware. But what are the benefits and limitations of cloud gaming, and how will it impact the future of gaming? With cloud gaming, gamers will have access to games without the need for downloads or installations. The games will be updated automatically, and the experience will be seamless. But there's a catch. The quality of the experience will depend on the internet connection. The question is, are gamers ready for the shift to cloud gaming? Thank you for joining us on this thrilling journey into the future of gaming with the PlayStation 6. As we've explored, the PS6 promises to revolutionize the gaming landscape with its powerful hardware, groundbreaking graphics, innovative features, and the potential of cloud gaming. The future of gaming is bright, and we can't wait to see what lies ahead. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay informed about the latest in gaming news.